Yo, what's up guys? Today I am with Xiaomi Redmi 8 and I want to show you how to download and install TFT mobile APK for the Android device. So for the first you have to go to our website on the HardReset.Info, and the link will be in the description of this video. So if you are in our website, just press here and go to the articles, click on the read more. And now you have to click on one of these following links, so I will go for the second. Okay, we have to press on this. And now our APK is downloading, so we have to wait until this is finished. Okay, so now go to the settings, allow, go back, and now press install. Allow again, and now tap on the open. And as you can see, this is our main menu, so click on the Riot account. Okay, and this is very important to choose the available region. So this is currently EU Nordic East and the Oceania, because the early beta is only available in the Romania and in the Australia. So I go with the EU Nordic East. And now this is our singing, so we have to put your username and the password. So wait a little bit, I'm gonna do this. Okay, so if you insert your username and password, press on the red arrow. No thanks. And now press on the OK with the term of service. And now we have to download the new patch, so press on this marker. And now we have to wait until the whole game finish patching. Okay, so now we are in 100% and we are in the game. So I hope that I helped you guys. If you enjoyed this video, please leave thumbs ups, comments, and of course subscription. And if you have any questions, you can also go to our website HardReset.Info, and there is section frequently asked questions, so you can find a lot of good stuff here. So thanks for the watching and see you in the next videos. Goodbye.